heck do you eat in Japan to stay healthy? I think eating healthy is something a lot of people worry about when you first move to a new country. And I think the easiest way to eat healthy is to consume the local food. Now, I'm not saying that Japanese food is superior to Western food, for example, but I think to stay healthy, we need to consistently eat healthy, and to do that, your food source has to be easily accessible and affordable. Well, for the most people anyways. But you might ask, what the heck do I get at Japanese grocery store? So today, I'll introduce 7 local food you should add to your shopping list next time you go on grocery shopping here in Japan, and I'll explain why. Let's go! Number 1, tofu. Here are some reasons why you should consider including tofu in your diet. First of all, tofu is a great source of protein. It is complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs for proper growth and maintenance. This makes an excellent protein source for vegetarian, vegan, and anyone looking to reduce their meat consumption. Also, tofu is low in calories and fat, making it an ideal food for weight management. A 3-ounce serving of tofu contains only about 70 to 80 calories and 4 to 5 grams of fat. Also, tofu is low in saturated fat and high in unsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Tofu can be used in a wide variety of dishes, from stir fries and salads to even smoothies and desserts. It's also available in different textures, including firm, silken, and extra firm, which makes it suitable for different cooking methods and recipes. Also, tofu is so cheap. For 300 grams, which is about 2 servings of tofu, is like less than $1. Guys, no brainer, just add to your shopping cart. Number 2, natto. Now, this one is a little bit controversial because, it's an acquired taste. But natto is a good source of plant-based protein with around 9 grams of protein per 100 grams of natto. This makes it an excellent food for vegetarians, vegans, or really anyone looking to increase their protein intake. Also really rich in probiotics. Natto is a fermented food, which means it contains beneficial bacteria that can improve gut health and boost the immune system. The probiotics in natto can help improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and promote overall health. Natto is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K2, which is important for bone health, and manganese, which is important for metabolism and the production of enzymes. Overall, natto is highly nutritious food that offers several health benefits, whether you're looking to boost your protein intake, improve your gut health, or reduce your cholesterol levels. Again, natto is cheap. You can buy 3 servings of natto for less than $1. So come on guys, if you haven't tried, you should at least give natto a shot. Number 3, edamame. Yay, edamame. Everybody likes edamame unless you're a psychopath. Edamame isn't just a good bar snack, but it's also a great food to keep you healthy too. Edamame is a good source of protein with around 18 grams of protein per 100 grams of cooked edamame. Also, edamame is high in fiber with around 8 grams of fiber per 100 grams of cooked edamame. This makes it a great food for promoting digestive health, reducing cholesterol levels, and managing blood sugar levels. Also, edamame is low in calories with around 110 calories per 100 grams of cooked edamame. Edamame is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, folate, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are important for maintaining healthy bones and blood cells. Edamame is easy to prepare and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. It can be boiled, steamed, or roasted, and can be served as a snack, appetizer, or added to salad, stir fries. Honestly, edamame goes well with anything. Okay, not gonna lie, edamame is not as cheap as other food, but they are very accessible and very easy to prepare. So if you got enough of these, get edamame. It's healthy. Also, if you like this kind of content, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. It would help us tremendously. Thanks. Number 4, blue-backed fish. Eating blue-backed fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardine is beneficial for several reasons. Obviously, blue-backed fish are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation in the body. Blue-backed fish are also a good source of protein and rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, and iodine. These nutrients are important for various functions in the body, such as immune system function and maintaining healthy thyroid function. Eating blueback fish regularly has been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. This is because the omega-3 fatty acids in these fish can help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve cholesterol levels. The omega-3 fatty acids found in blueback fish are important for brain function, and studies have shown that eating these fish may help improve cognitive function, memory, and mood. As you might already know, Japanese people love blueback fish, and buying fresh and good quality blueback fish is super easy in Japan. Yes, they might make your room smells like shit for a couple of days, but who cares? They'll make you smarter and put you in a good mood too. This video is getting a little too long, so I will make part 2, so stay tuned for more good local food. Alright, thanks for watching.